Parivarshini. I am studying in first class. My school name is Narayana. School. My project is food pyramid. Foods are two types. Healthy one healthy food, two junk foods. This is healthy food. Vegetables. Brinjal, tomato, carrot, bendi, cauliflower, pomegranate, guava, fruits. This is milk product. This is milk product. Milk, butter, curd, ice cream, sweets, milk bread, cheese, nuts and pulses. This is mustard, barley, rice, beans, pearl, and green mundal, black, ginger.